welcome back. Thank you for coming over and checking out what I've got going on today. This is Mary from Around the Craft Room. Today I had been looking at my sewing memory book, and I've done some journaling pages in here, and I have some videos on a couple of them. I really enjoy this little book, and I've made videos on how to make it. I've also wanted to see if you would like to make one. So I've made up some kits. I'm going to put them on Etsy, and minus the closing charm. It's everything you need to make this book. So let me show you what you get in the kits. Now each one of the kits are going to be different because all the patterns are different. And the sizes are slightly different. So this one has this pattern, and they're a vintage pattern. This is a 1962. And it has the instructions in it, some of the pattern in it. Probably the whole pattern, it's a vintage pattern, so I don't know for sure. Then you get some ink sprayed copy paper, some graph paper, some line paper. Then you get some scrapbook paper, all pre-cut to the size you need to do the book. And you get 3 punched doilies, and then you get the recycled chipboard. Now this is heavier than just the regular cracker boxes. These are chipboard, so they're heavier. You get the front and the back of that. You get 2 pieces for the spine, and then you get some recycled tie back. Then you get some paper to cover the book with. This is what you get in the kit for the book. And then you are going to also get trims and ribbons and laces. And then I've also done the beads. I'll link the video of how to make the tassel up there too. So you're going to be getting a collection of lace and trims. Most of them are pretty close to the same, but they may be slightly different from what you see here. You get laces and lots of ribbon, and then you get some eyelash trims. These are a little bit thicker ribbons, and they're going to be shorter. You can put them on your tassel too, or you can just use them as trims in your book when you get it made. You also get embroidery yarn to tie your tassel there with. You get a little pink organza bag, and inside the bag comes a bag of beads. You also get, in this part, you get this little thing to put in your book to hold your tassel, the ring to wrap the ribbons and stuff on. You get this little thing that you can add onto the tassel. You get chain, which you can take into pieces to add. You get some little jump rings, some bigger jump rings, some little spacers, and some bead caps. And then, of course, the eye pins and the head pins, all to make your tassel. Okay, so this is what you'll be getting in this kit. This is one of my kits that I have. And then I have 5 kits. I'm putting 5 kits on Etsy, and the patterns are all different. So I'll go through and show you the patterns. So this is one of them. This is one of them. Here's another one. That one's real cute too. And you can use these pictures all in your book if you don't want to use them on the outside of the book. And here's another one. Okay, so I'm putting 5 kits on Etsy. Thank you so much for spending some time with me. Y'all have a great day.